Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty had a very lackluster session, especially on a monthly expiry. Generally, we see a good amount of volatility, good momentum sort of coming in on account of expiry, especially led by options. That was not the case yesterday. There were bouts of intraday volatility seen yesterday, but it was not very severe. Same was the case with Bank Nifty, which was also lackluster, and both of the indices closed as flat as it can be. With this, Nifty has formed three indecisive candles. They are not pure doji candles. Doji candles generally mean indecisiveness, but they don't have body as such. So in this case, that is not the case. There is small body which has been seen last 3 days. Nevertheless, these are indecisive candles where the resistances are placed at 23,850, 860. A close about this will push it by another 200, 250 points. On the other hand, supports are seen at 23,750. So this range is going to define how the momentum goes in coming days, and one should trade according to this. Risk traders, however, can buy if Nifty is around 23,000, 830, 840 spot. For the simple reason that it's still trading above its 200 exponential moving average on daily charts. On the other hand, Bank Nifty, which has immediate support at 51,000 based on the writing seen in 51,000 strike put options. And if you look at the 15 minutes chart or 30 minutes chart, it opened with a gap up node. It tried to fill the gap. It made a retest of the previous swing high breakout on very short term immediate charts. One can buy if it's opening on a flattish node, keep a stop loss of 100 points, 150 points, and play for 500 points target. So between Nifty and Bank Nifty, it is Bank Nifty is looking good and can be bought right away. If Nifty Bank open as a gap up node, then probably wait. But if it's 10-20 points up and down opening, one can buy Bank Nifty. US markets today closed flat. GIFT Nifty is just pointing towards 60 points start as we speak. It is not about where we start, rather how we traverse throughout the day that is more important. In absence of major cues, Nifty is likely to remain in the range bound mode. It may be volatile, so keep that in mind. And if you're trading index, if you're getting decent returns intraday basis, 100 points or something like that, book it out. As such, we have said that you buy with 30-40 point stop loss. So you're buying an index of 25,000 price at 50 point, 30-40 point stop loss. That is too small, and the reason is simple, that it's a range bound one. So we take as the things progress. FIs yesterday sold around 2,400 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around 3,300 crores worth in cash. So the selling by FI continues. There is also putting some pressure. And if we see another round of say 3,000, 4,000 crores worth selling, then probably this time we'll break the previous swing low. As far as optional writers are concerned, they are seemingly in the control, but I would not recommend the selling. The reason being that option writing is always interesting when the range is broad. In this case, the range is not broad because of doji candles being or indecisive candles being formed, and that is a recipe of a very sharp move either side. In which case the stop losses can get triggered. So stay away from option writing and the focus on futures. That goes from my side. Thank you.
The securities and stocks quoted here are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.